Hello everyone, welcome to another Wix tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to migrate from WooCommerce to Wix website. Now for this, you'll need to go to My Sites here. And once you reach My Sites, we'll need to load it up here and you'll need to select a site where you want to migrate from your WooCommerce. So let's say we want to select this site here. We just click Select Site here. And from there, what we can do is we can go here and we can type in cart to cart. This will be a plugin that we will use. So just go to cart to cart. And here, as you can see, we can add this to the site. Now, as you can see, what this will do is this will do a Wix store migration. So if you have, WooCommerce or any other platform, Shopify, this will allow you to transfer all the products from WooCommerce or Shopify to Wix. So this is basically the plugin, right? So as you can see, you can have migration from BigCommerce, Magento, OpenCart, PrestaShop, Wix, Shopify. You can see all supported carts right here. And you can also do it in another way. So if you want to transfer it to Shopify from WooCommerce or from WooCommerce to Shopify or BigCommerce, you can do that as well. So as you can see, it's very easy. You just connect your source, select the data, and then launch your demo or full migration. So obviously, this is the way how to do it. So what you want to do is obviously you want to add the app. Now in the cart to cart dashboard, make sure the email associated with the relevant Wix account is selected. So here you just want to select the email. You want to click source and target cart setup. And from there, obviously you want to go, and this will be different for each source card. However, for example, if you want to do it with a Shopify, you will need an API password here, right? So you'll need to select a source card, for example, a platform which you want to migrate. You'll need to enter your store URL, for example, your store.com. Enter the information needed to access your platform, and now each platform will require different information. For example, Shopify requires an API password. Follow the instructions right on the screen to complete the part of the process, and then just leave Wix and as the selected target cart and choose entities. Now from there, obviously you'll need to click on the all products, the products that you want to migrate. And this will be different for each platform. Obviously for WooCommerce, it will be easy because it's already integrated in the cart to cart. However, if you want like a more in-depth migration tutorial, I can create a whole tutorial on just migration. But this is basically how you can migrate from WooCommerce to Wix website with just a simple plugin, which is called cart to cart. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.